Hey, how are you all? It's Craig here, your Mad Hatter unboxer. Okay, today at the barbershop we have got, well I have got a new product. And today's new product is the Babyliss Pro Gold FX model trimmers. These are exposed T-blade with a 360-degree view. So on the back here, there's the view on the back. Okay, so on the back says Gold FX. FX787G, a metal lithium outlining trimmer. We've got DLC titanium adjustable zero gap T-blade, so zero gap tool included. Anyway, let's just unbox them and I'll read that and show you the stuff. There's the lid. Nice, it's very nice case actually, not like your normal cardboard boxes that other companies give you. This is like a metal container that Babyliss has put these in. Nice little Ferrari emblem there, as I think these are powered or Ferrari designed engine. There we go, Ferrari designed engine. Let's take these out. And let's see what else is in there. Far out. Take 10 years to get into the box. There we go, it's tightly put in there. Okay, so I'll just shove that there. And, oh, there we go. This is all in here. Right over there, stack it and pack it. And inside the box we have an empty box. What? I hope everyone's been looking after their clients and keeping well. What have we got in here? So let's grab some scissors somewhere. Here we go. A spare scissors. I've had these scissors for a very long time. Probably I've been a barber for 30 years and I think I've had these scissors for about 28, maybe 29 of these years. Still cutting. But anyway, they're my spares, so I just don't tell anyone. Alright, here we go. So what have we got in here? Oop, there we are. As I'm not dropping a clipper. So a little tool brush to clean them with. I prefer to use that. This here is, we'll get to that. There's another little tool and the guard for them. I'm glad they put a guard in there because I like to put guards on my tools. There we go. Always put my tools away at the end of the day. I don't like to keep them there. I don't like to keep them exposed. And some oil. All right. And also in the bottom is just some paper. You can read them if you want. What else is there? What's this? There's a sticker. And another sticker of the actual trimmer. Okay, and then we've got the booklet. Alright, so Look at that, nice. T-blade. How nice does that look? And gold too. How nice does the gold look? Alright, quick. We have got something else to cut open. They supply you with a screwdriver. There we go, a Phillips head. They also supply you with the zero gapper tool. Okay. There we go. A little zero gap tool as well, which this goes into those two screws just there to help you zero gap, and then that just goes back into there, like so. You've got your guard, which I just showed you, got your brush and the oil that I showed you, and the T-blade. So anyway, let's read the back while I hold these up. So again, on the back, DLC titanium adjustable zero gap T-blade, zero gap tool included, which was this here. We've got 360 degree exposed T-blade, so yes, it is fully exposed, which is what I really like. You don't have to cut it open or anything that I've seen some people do to the Andes trimmers. You've got a high torque brushless Ferrari designed engine that runs at 7,200 RPM revs per minute. You also have all metal housing, a knurled barbell grip, so you know, if you're feeling a bit energetic, you could do some biceps with them. Barbell grip. You got a lithium ion battery, 2-hour runtime, which is awesome in my day. So 2 hours is unreal. You also have cord or cordless dual voltage. Okay, so here's the cord. I'm sure whichever country you get these in, they're going to come with your attachment. This is the only attachment it has, so you can't take this little top off, which you can with other trimmers, especially like the little Andes trimmers here. Anyway, also you've got a detent hanging hook. So let's have a look. Let's try and get this hanging hook out. There we go. Screwdriver comes in handy. And there's your hanging hook. Right there. At the bottom, if you like to hang your tools on hooks. I prefer not to. Mine stay on the bench. So anyway, let's it's good. It's got a bit of sticky tape there to stop you from turning them on, but we don't want that now, do we? So I need to grow some nails. Anyway, nice little Babyliss Pro written at the front just there. Okay, so look, the phone doesn't, I film through my phone, it doesn't want to do any focusing today. So look, you can't see it, stupid phone. There, but anyway, right here says Babyliss Pro. Let's turn them on. Oh, they got charge, awesome. They're nice and quiet. Now let's turn them on with some charge. Plug them in. Easy plug in, and there we go. Blue light comes on, obviously when you're charging them up. probably goes off when they, well, there we go, it flashes when you're charging them. Probably goes off or stays blue when they're fully charged. Okay, so that's them on when they're plugged in, on when they're plugged out. Let's put them up against the T-cuts. There's the blade difference, pretty much the same as the T-cuts. Okay, and let's put them up against the berets, the wild berets. Definitely a shorter work for you. And we'll put them up against the Lithium Cordless Detailers Series 1s. I don't have any Series 2s. One day I may, but I chose the Babyliss over the Series 2s. Wild Detailers, same size blade. And the little Andy's Cordless LIs. There we go. The blade is, well, that heaps bigger again. Alright, so let's do a little sound test. So here's the Babyliss, nice and quiet. Here's the Wild Detailers. So a bit of sound in those. Here's the Babyliss. Here's the T-cuts. Sound of those. Here's the Babyliss again. Here's the berets. And here's your Pro LIs. Here's your Babyliss. And here's your Pro LIs. Alright, so let's shovel them aside. Size comparison, they are a lot longer and a lot thicker in circumference. Alright, that was with the, here's it up, that was against the T-cuts. Here's the Detailers, roughly the same in circumference as well, not much difference. But yeah, your berets, again, a lot bigger, circumference, massive. And your Pro Li trimmers, about the same length, but obviously bigger in the circumference. They feel alright to grip as well. And they've got like grippy feeling on there as well. Like a texture, gripping texture on there. But yeah, so, and they say gold FX on the blade there as well. So yeah, even the it's good that the screws there are also gold too. So I quite like them. They feel nice in the hand. Anyway, I'll come up here in about a week's time, maybe even a few days' time, with a conclusion on these. But I really want to keep this under 15 minutes, so I'm out of here with these. Alright, so there they are. Your lithium outlining trimmer, powered by, or designed motor by Ferrari, and Babyliss Pro. See you later. It's Craig here, your Mad Hatter unboxer. If you like my videos, please press like, comment. I'll answer your questions as good as I can. Subscribe, tell your friends about me, and be good to your clients, and be safe and treat each other well. See you later. Oh, and press the bell. Ding ding.